Welcome to my honest review of Marc Dauer MD Hair Restoration. Today, I'll take you through the website, its services, and how it works for those experiencing hair loss. I'll also share my experience using the site, and if it's something worth checking out if you're considering hair restoration. Marc Dauer MD offers professional hair restoration services, with a focus on natural-looking results. Their website is designed to give you easy access to information about their treatments, patient testimonials, and an overview of the procedures available. The design is sleek and user-friendly, making it simple to navigate through the services offered, which include consultations, hair transplants, and advanced hair restoration techniques. Navigating the website is relatively straightforward, and you can easily book consultations with Marc Dauer himself or his team of specialists. There's a wealth of information available regarding the science behind hair restoration and the various methods used, such as FUE, follicular unit extraction, and FUT, follicular unit transplantation. However, the site can be a bit overwhelming with the amount of detail provided. If you're looking for quick answers, you may find it challenging to locate the most relevant information immediately. The consultation booking process is simple and smooth, but once you get into the treatment options, you'll want to carefully read through the details to make an informed decision. One feature I appreciate about the site is the patient testimonial section. The real experiences from clients provide a sense of trust and credibility, which is essential when choosing a hair restoration service. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. While the site's design is clean, the volume of information can feel a bit dense for those who are new to hair restoration. A clearer breakdown of each treatment and its benefits might help users get a quicker understanding of what's offered. Additionally, the pricing information is not upfront, and you may need to go through a consultation to get an accurate quote. This can be a bit of a hassle if you're just trying to get a quick idea of costs. Another drawback is the lack of immediate online customer support. Some users may prefer live chat or quick email responses, but instead, the site mainly relies on consultation booking forms. While these forms work fine, they may not be as immediate as some might prefer when they're dealing with a time-sensitive issue like hair loss. The site also includes a gallery of before and after photos, which are compelling but should be taken with a grain of salt, as photos can be selectively chosen to show the best results. It's important to keep that in mind and remember that individual results can vary significantly. Overall, Marc Dauer MD Hair Restoration offers comprehensive services, with a well-structured website that provides everything you need to understand their approach. While it could benefit from more transparency in some areas, it still delivers quality information and gives potential patients a chance to get to know the treatments available. If you're serious about hair restoration, it's definitely worth a visit. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews.